Hi guys, how you all doing? So, have you ever wondered why, like you used to have pink lips and then all of a sudden it started going dark? Yeah, it actually happened to me when I lived in the Middle East. I just woke up one morning, I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, ooh, my lips, my lips are going dark. Because in the Middle East, it's a lot of sun out there. So yeah, the sun out there was darkening my lips. So I had to do something about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the home remedy that I used when I had dark lips. And it drastically changed my lips from being dark to, pink lips that I have right now. For those of you that are visiting my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician and I talk about skincare in this channel. Everything skincare. So if you like what you're watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Subscribing also keeps you up to date on what is happening on my channel, okay? Hit the bell button while you're subscribing. It's the notification bell. Help me share this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Most of the things that causes dark lips in the first place is the sun, like I mentioned earlier. Sun is in as much as sun is good for our skin, it can also cause a lot of damage if we abuse it. Okay, abusing it means not using your sunscreen and not protecting your lip area. Okay, dead skin cells. Okay, dead skin cells is another causes of dark lips. Yeah, when you don't exfoliate your lips. So the home remedy I'll be showing you in this video is a lip scrub that is so easy to do, or just 3 ingredients. Less than 5 minutes, you prepared your scrub and you can store it for as long as 1 month. As the video progresses, I'll tell you how to use it. You see like a demo of how I prepared it and how I used it. Okay, so dead skin cells, you should always scrub that lip area to reduce accumulation of dead skin cells, because most of the hyperpigmentation we get even on our skin is as a result of accumulation of dead skin cells. Okay, now biting your lips. For those of you that are guilty of this, biting your lips can cause your lips to get very, very dark, because you're biting your lips, you're licking it all the time, you're not allowing your lips to rest. For those of you that are guilty of this, you're not allowing your lips to rest and you're causing your lips to dry out in the process. Your lips is not getting enough hydration, and the next thing it would do is to darken. Now, another point here, loads of people are guilty of it. I think I did this video up here about it. Using expired lipstick. Because when it comes to makeups, there is expiration date. You should always look at the expiration date when you buy your makeup. Is it a 12-month period? Do you have to use it for 2 years? Do you have to use it for 6 months? Because there's a reason why every skincare or makeup product has expiration date. Because once the expiration date is over, the protective cover on that particular product is gone. So whatever you're using then is basically toxin on your skin. Okay, so expired lipstick do cause your lips to darken. If you want to try it, do an experiment on it. Use expired lipstick for like a month and see what happens to your lips. Okay. Another one is not drinking enough water, because your body needs hydration, and when your skin is hydrated, it glows. When your skin is hydrated, it fights all the hyperpigmentation, it fights all the problems and toxins that your body accumulates that can cause so much problem to your skin. Okay, so drink enough water. Do not use lemon on your lips. I see a lot of people say, a lot of remedies out there, put lemon on your lips. Now, the problem is because lemon is acidic, and lemon, it doesn't work with sun. And you know, your lips doesn't have any protective cover on it. So when you use lemon, it's acidic, your lips become very, very sensitive, and in the process, it darkens it. Okay, now watch the video, the remedy that I use. It's very simple. That will help to get rid of changing your lips from this to this. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as you can see, the remedy is very easy to do and it does work. Okay, you try it, it does work. Even if your lips is not dry, you can also use it to remove dead skin cells on your lips and keep your lips soft and supple. Okay, we need to keep that area very, very moisturized and hydrated. Thank you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.